Hi, this is Anki from Anki on the Move blog, and today in this short video I'm going to tell you how to shop when you're traveling. The best tip to shop when you're traveling is go to the local markets, skip the malls, or go to the malls but when they are on sale. So, who said shopping is expensive? I've been to 13 countries in the last 2.5 years and I've got a lot of things from every place. And you'd ask me how is that possible? Just by going to the local markets or just by going to shops when they were on sale. So let's take you to some of the things which I bought from abroad and from India as well. So this one is one of my favorite buy which I got from Thailand, Bangkok, and this is just for 400 bucks. It's pretty cool, and the material of this top is really nice, and I got it for 400 bucks, not 400 baht, and it's very cheap. The next thing which I want you to see is my apron, which I got from Spain, Madrid. I really wanted to buy the flamenco dresses, but they came out to be really costly. So I got this one, and this is just for 3 euros. Pretty cheap and nice. The third thing which I want you to show is the maple syrup. Canada has local produce of maple syrup. It's locally produced there. And it's really cheap. I really love maple syrup, putting it anywhere, like, on the bread, on my desserts, and it really makes the taste because this one is the original one and I love it. The fourth one which I want to show you is the Ahava Dead Sea Minerals. This is a cosmetic product. I really like applying cosmetics because I'm a girl. But this I got from Israel, and this is actually a very famous product from Israel. This was for 129 shekel, but I got it for 34 shekel. That's quite a buy. The fourth thing which I want to show you is this skirt. Can you estimate? Can you guess the price? Anyone? This skirt is just for 5 euros. And I got it from a store called Primark in Scotland, which was on sale. Then we have the keychains from Canada, then the magnets from everywhere. Those are the very common things which you get, really, right? Last thing which I want to show is from India. This is from Surajkot Mela in Haryana, which happens in February. And I got this colorful little bag from there, and it's for 400 bucks, which was there for 600 bucks. But as you know, bargaining happens a lot in India. So when you are in India or you're in abroad, anywhere you are, you've got the right thing for the right price. So don't worry about it. And whenever you think shopping is expensive, think about me and just go to the local market and you'll get your best thing out there. Bye.